7th unit. Okay, in this whole first, you can say it's your first paragraph. This whole course, first paragraph, it is included in that segment. Okay, and then again in this your plus this internal forces in members, axial force, shear force, bending moment diagram, this whole beam segment. This is also included in that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
plus okay, this whole segment is included in whole this part force analysis. Okay, this is your part one segment. These total segments are you can say it's interrelated. Okay, force analysis. This is included in truss. Truss is a kind of a structure. Beam is another kind of a structure, and this kind of a structure, in these kinds of structure, we will study how the forces, how the moments are applied on it. Okay, how the forces are behaving, how the moments are behaving in this structures. Okay, the different parts of structure, and this then is the next part. It is your segment 2, it is centroid and moment of inertia. Centroid and moment of inertia. Okay, this is small paragraph in between your force analysis and this beam segment. Axial force in between. Centroid and moment of inertia segment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is in between the both paragraph, but this is totally different from these segments. So I just categorize it into the one part, okay, and this centroid and MOI is totally the different part. And then it's your stress segment, concept of stress and strain, and then determining of stress and strain. And this your third segment, it is about stress and strain, and then all about your analysis of stress across a rectangular section and all that. And this part is linked to this one, analysis of beam. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
now this centroid and MOI is totally different. Centroid and MOI totally different thing. Other than that, this part linked to this one and this one. Okay. This part is different. This part is different, but this part is linked with this and this part.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the whole point is this second segment, centroid and MOI is different. Other than that, this whole segment is linked to each other.
Okay, sir.
And then further, this also part is used in it, and this whole part is so in a kind of a way, these whole segments are totally linked to each other. Like in the physics, there were the segments which are totally different to each other, but in the mechanics, the parts are after a time long period, these two link to each other. The starting concepts are different. Starting concepts are different of this. The starting concepts are different, but after a point, these all concepts are merged into one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like this. Okay, the whole concept of MOI will merge in this part. This concept is merged in this part, and we'll analyze the whole segment, how it is behaving. Okay,
Fine.
clear? So this
Yes, sir.
is your engineering mechanics segment syllabus. Okay, this is the you can say it's the analysis of your syllabus, how your syllabus is. Okay, so we can simply segmentize it into four segments: force analysis, centroid and MOI, analysis, stress and strain, and analysis of heat. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you want to note it down, you just say.
Okay.